action expected. Let's see what the metals do, as well as what does the pharma pack will also do. We'll watch out for that. And the first rates on your screen, 25,509 is where the Nifty has opened with just 33 points of gain, and Nifty Bank as of now is also indicating the start in the green. India VIX as of now, it's a bit of a decline and a red pinch is what we are seeing. But in terms of the movers, it's Tata Steel that is leading it from the front, almost a 1% uptick coming in on this counter. Shriram Finance is seen to be continuing its uptrend rather, and select financial names like Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank, these are your top movers. Add to that list is IndusInd Bank as well. On the flip side, Dr. Reddy's, Wipro, Tata Motors, TCS, these are your laggards, but not any stock is showing a decline of over 1% as we speak right now. Let's also have a look at within the F&O space which counters are doing well, and there we are seeing good action coming in on PFC and RSE after that Morgan Stanley initiation where the target price have been higher by more than 20% of an upside is what they see on these counters. A 2% gain coming in on these counters as we speak right now. Prestige Estates is another stock which is higher by 1.5% on the back of the updates coming in. But on the flip side, Info Edge, Berger Paints and Delivery, these are your laggards within the F&O space as we speak right now. But Snehi, any other movers right now?
Well, absolutely. Let's take a look at first what the copper and copper derivative stocks are doing, because now we have a definitive statement from Trump that he will be imposing 50% tariff on copper with effect from 1st of August. So let's pull up the likes of Hindustan Copper, Hindalco, Vedanta, see what all of these stocks are doing in today's trading session, along with some of the wires and cable stocks that could be in focus because they use copper as one of their raw materials. So something like a KEI, Havells, all of those stocks could be in focus. Polycap for that matter. KEI holding up flat right now. You have some pressure on Havells India, 0.5% lower as we speak. Asian Paints, let's pull up the stock and see what the stock is doing. The company has sold 4.4% stake in AkzoNobel. The entire stake has been sold. So Asian Paints not doing all that much. Ambuja Cement, a new brownfield commissioning is what they've done for a brownfield capacity. So Ambuja Cement is in focus, mildly flat. Oil India and GAIL will be in focus. They've signed a 15-year gas sale and purchase agreement. It's a supply agreement coming in between Oil India and GAIL, so both of those stocks are in focus. Brigade, the board is going to be meeting on 14 July to consider fundraising. LIC, we understand from government sources to ET now that the DFS has given approval for LIC OFS, LIC lower by about 1.5% as we speak. And also watch out for Bharat Dynamics. We have a fresh initiation coming in from Motilal Oswal, wherein they've initiated coverage with neutral, target price of 1,985. In fact, Bharat Dynamics tanking in today's trade 2.2% lower. Other than this, some other stocks that are doing well right now, PFC like Shrishti mentioned, PFC, REC both doing well. Paytm is up 1.5%, so that's looking good. Ireda is up 1%. Remember, Ireda's quarterly earnings, that number will be out today, so that stock also in focus. Joined by AB Capital and HDFC AMC, so the capital market team seems to be doing well today and continues to do well. You have Info Edge on the other hand, that's slipping down about 2% lower right now. That's being joined by Phoenix Mills, that's also lower. Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, Tata Motors, Wipro, Godrej Consumers, all of these stocks are lower by about 0.5 to 1% in trade right now. It's the metal counters that are leading the trend, followed by realty, energy and banks. On the flip side, IT continues to be the big loser, followed by pharma, auto and FMCG on the flat line. So that's what the market is looking like at open right now. Nifty 50 absolutely flat. We had crossed 25,500, but once again we're slightly below that. Kunal, what are you making of the opening rates right now?